Dear students, good morning. Welcome to e-tutorial of Vinayak Public School, Khajurahat, Ayodhya. My name is Shahnaz Banu and I will teach you today class 4th English. Declarative sentence. Students, let's understand about declarative sentence. A declarative sentence is to tell a fact or to make a statement. These sentences are simply known as statements. Okay, students, let's understand with example. First example, Rahul likes to play chess. Second, Mumbai is in India. Third, the school starts at 8 a.m. Fourth, they are very happy with us. Fifth, my school is very beautiful. Okay, thank you.